Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Soundpad. So basically, I opened my Soundpad right here, and now I'll show you the basic of Soundpad controls. So as you can see right here, you have all the playback stuff, so the pause, stop playback, next previous file or next file, and right here play selected file on microphone only or the speakers only. Right here, if you click on the file, you can add sound files. As you can see, if you select a sound file and click open, you can add just to your list. And if you click on the file and click on preferences, and if you go to the hotkeys right here, you can set the custom hotkeys for your, let's say, stop playback or other stuff. So basically you can set the keybinds right here. Then you just need to click apply and OK. And basically that's how you use the Soundpad. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.